Hi friends! Join me in making some banana lumpia. The ingredients that you will need is vegetable oil, brown sugar, lumpia wrappers, bananas, and an egg. The first step in preparing the bananas are to peel them and to cut them into fours. I'm going to be using just regular bananas. The more common banana used for banana lumpia is apple banana or cooking banana. It's all your preference. Next step is to coat all your banana with brown sugar. I like to make sure that I'm coating both sides of the banana. I'll sprinkle it on first and then I'll use my fingers and gently massage it in. Perfect! Now they are ready to be wrapped up. Here you will see how I set up my working station. Grab one lumpia wrapper. Carefully lie down one piece of banana. Flip the lip over and roll for one rotation. Tuck in both sides and continue rolling up. Before you reach the end, use a little bit of the egg as a glue to seal up the wrapper. Now they're ready to be fried. Prepare your pan with ½ inch of vegetable oil. Set your stove medium to medium-high heat. Once your oil is hot enough, begin to fry your lumpia. Fry the lumpia on each side for about 1 to 1.5 minutes or until golden brown. Once frying is complete, set them on a cooling rack. It should be crispy on the outside with a warm, soft, and slightly chewy center. And just like that, it's ready to eat. Oh, and I recommend eating it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can thank me later. Thank you for watching.